Hey everybody, it's Eddie here from Tully Nurseries, and I just want to go through some of the wow plants that we have on the list this week. They're real showstoppers for your benches, so have a look at the list. You'll see a broader range of what we have. This is just a snapshot for today. I'll just show you briefly here. We have this lovely range of 4-litre Callas, absolutely gorgeous at the moment, lovely leaf colour with spot and gorgeous flowers. And as you can see there, we have a range of colours there. And also I'd like to show you Harry Hebe is just coming into flower there. That's Avalanche, gorgeous colour and one of our top sellers all around. And we've got Geranium Roseanne here, again in flower, great seller. And then we have some Hebes. We've got Hebe Red Rum on the list, and there's some other varieties as well, so check it out there to see the full range. And also we have some lovely gerberas in flower. We have some French lavender. We've got some lovely Verbena Santos, which is low growing, and then also we have the Bonariensis, which is a great plant, and some Agapanthus Twister, which is in flower now, selling extremely well at the moment. And we have a full range of Alstomerias, both tall and low growing. And then also we have our absolutely fantastic range of Hydrangea Paniculatus here. We've just got one on the bench. We couldn't fit in all the varieties, but they all look super. So check out the list and the pictures, and see you soon. Thank you.